Tyler always wanted a Christian girl who loved God, loved life, was kind, beautiful, and could gently put him in his place when he was wrong. That doesn't sound like much, but all the girls he met never measured up until he met you, Brittany. I know many people heard the story of the day they met. Renee Walker, his mom, introduced them on Easter Sunday last year, and I coached Tyler on what to say to ask her on a date. So, in summary, you can all thank me and Renee. I'm totally joking, of course. What actually happened is that Tyler was like a giddy 12-year-old boy who just found out he was going to Disney World the day he met you. It was adorable. The Walker family sat in Starbucks that day and helped Tyler plan his first date with Brittany. That gives you an idea how close we are as a family.
It's a beautiful day. It's a day that the Lord has made for us to enjoy together, and we're so glad that you've come out to join with us. So on behalf of the Laverne family and the Walker family, thank you all so much for celebrating love together with us today. It's a blessing that they probably have just a little glimpse of an idea to know just how much you have meant to them. But now something different is getting ready to happen, because they're getting ready to love and care and support one another in a whole new way.
Brittany and I became best friends overnight our freshman year of college. In the last 8 years, we've gotten extremely close, practically sisters. We had many conversations about characteristics we hoped our future husbands would have. Here are a few qualities Brittany was looking for. Christian, college educated, outgoing, which we can all agree Tyler is very. Republican, check. And gets along with her family and friends, another check. Tyler, you exemplify all these qualities, and I know you'll make Brittany so incredibly happy.
Marriage is essentially the beginning of a family. It's the combination of a family, but it's the beginning of your family. Families are very important to the Walkers, and family is very important to Tyler. That becomes immediately noticeable to anybody that gets to hear Tyler talk about his family. He's an incredible man, and he's going to create an incredible family, and I can't tell you how thrilled I am that Brittany is the girl that God gave to you, and that Brittany is the girl you chose to build your family on.
Honestly, I'm super proud of both of you. Brittany, as a man, Tyler, I know he's always going to be by your side. I know he's always going to be there to support you in any decision that you have. He's an awesome man. He's somebody that I can look up to. He's somebody that I can say, this man has done amazing things. And he's somebody that I just love to the end of the world.
I've gotten to know Tyler, and I'm really grown fond of him. I don't like him yet, but I will. I think, maybe. I'm just very happy for you two, and I think it's gonna go great. So, come and hug me.
gosh. How did she do that? Wow.
I once read a successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. May this sentiment be a part of your life together.
Brittany, I've seen you pray for the right man, especially in this last year. I don't want to get emotional, but I prayed for it too. I prayed for somebody exactly like Tyler. Great guy, somebody who fits into our family extremely well, and somebody who I was excited for you to marry.
Just communicate with each other, love each other, and just remember, family comes first.
Are you gonna pray loud, Walker?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Are you nervous?
You got it? Yeah. You ready?
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aw.
Dear God, here we are. It's been a long journey, and oh my gosh. God, we're just so blessed to be here. And I thank you for Brittany and for her family and for their love, and for bringing me in. And for our family and putting on this amazing day. Regardless of the weather, God, we made it. So God, I'm just so thankful that that today is the day we get to honor and glorify you by taking part in marriage, God, and doing what you've ordained us to do. Thank you for Brittany, and thank you for her love, and thank you for today. Regardless of the weather, God, we're gonna do this. So thank you, and we praise you in everything that we do. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Brittany, you look so beautiful. I could never have dreamed for a woman like you to come into my life. God has been so good to us. He brought us together right at the perfect time in our lives, and we've had so many adventures since. And you never stop to amaze me. I love that you're an old soul like me. I love that you love history and put up with my fun facts. I love your thoughtfulness and your desire to serve, and most importantly, I love that you love Jesus and want to put him at the center of our relationship. You know, 6 years ago, I had this hopeless idea. I took this small Bible and placed it in my uniform and wrote a small note inside, and it reads, "My beloved wife, this Bible has been with me ever since the start of my journey in the Army as an infantryman. My basic training Bible went to my father, and this I give to you. You have my heart. I am yours. Even now, before knowing who my wife is, I wait for you." I signed that on August 13th, 2012. That 19-year-old knew something, that God had his perfect woman waiting for him. This Bible has been with me from Georgia to Canada, Texas, and California, and so many other places, all depicted inside. Today, I present it to you along with these promises. I promise to be all in and give it 100% to our marriage. I promise to always build up on the foundation that the Lord has brought us together, and to always be willing to rebuild after whatever life throws at us. I promise to honor and respect you, cherish you and love you, admire you and show you affection. And I promise to make you feel safe and special, and to always get you nachos whenever you ask for them. I can't wait to share everything with you and experience what God has in store for us together. You're my best friend, and I love you.
Tyler Preston Walker, today I affirm my love for you and vow to share my life with you in everything. You're my best friend, my handyman, my sweet American honey who calms me, stands firm by my side, my rock, and loves me unconditionally through the good and tough times. I remember the day I got down on my knees, gave it to God, and prayed for a man who was strong, walked in faith, kind, and loving. Little did I know, 3 weeks later, my life would forever change. God is good, and that Easter Sunday, prayers were answered, and he had led a man of your caliber into my life. From that day forward, you have always put me at the forefront of your mind, and you remember the little things, and have kept your promise to win my heart, protect it, and earn it every day. So today, I take you, Tyler, to be my husband. I vow to love and respect you, to have patience that love demands. I promise to try to accept your time hacks at TJ Maxx and take my Hallmark movie obsessions into the other room. As long as we both shall live, I promise to walk and grow in faith with you. I will be yours in plenty and in want, and walk beside you in the joys and hardships of life. I love you, Walker.
Tyler, you may now kiss your bride.
Brittany, Tyler will always stick up for you, defend you, and fight for you. He is loyal to a fault and will always be your side. Tyler, I will offer my grand total of 3 years of marriage wisdom. Talk to each other, don't close yourself off. The most important thing to remember, happy wife is a happy life.
And that was kind of the joke through college, that everyone needs to meet their Colleen Flannery and get married. So Tyler, you've met your Colleen Flannery, you've married her tonight. And Brittany, I won't say you've met your Evan Fischel because I'm not that great, but you've met the man you'll be with forever.
I know you love her to death, and I've only known her since I first met her, but I love her too, because you absolutely are falling deeply, helplessly in love with her.
Marriage is not some great adventure that you get to go on and come back from. It's not something that you go off to and think, oh, this is great, this is fun, I'm gonna go back to my normal lifestyle. It is a journey. It is something that will change both of you in ways that you could never imagine, and it is so beautiful and so amazing.
Do something kinda crazy. Drive all night with you right next to me. Feel the pounding of your heart. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I lived like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my head. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you've never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go, with your hand in my head. Anywhere you wanna go. So many things in this world I wanna do, and when I die I wanna know you did them too. Baby, me and you. Yeah, I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your